Hi everyone. In today's chapter, we are going to discuss about crop production and management. First, we should know what is crop. So, crop is nothing but the plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale. So, this is crop. Okay, so now what is crop? Crop is nothing but plants of the same kind are cultivated at the same place on a large scale. So this is a definition for crop. So for example, we can take paddy plants. So if we are going to the paddy field and we can see only the paddy plants. So in a particular area, we are cultivating only the paddy. It's not a smaller quantity. In a larger scale, we are doing the cultivation. So that we are calling as crop. So now you know the definition for crop. Okay. And here there is a cropping pattern. So here, for example, what are the cropping patterns? So we have the seasonal plantation. Okay, so what is seasonal plantation? For a particular season, we will have a particular product, right? So now, for example, during May month, we have mango season. So we will have more mangoes, right? So like that, based on this cropping pattern, we have in our book is given that is two types of crops. One is kharif crops, okay. Another one is rabi crops. So these are the types of crops based on the cropping patterns. Okay. So what is kharif crops? Kharif crops is nothing but we can have certain plants, we can have a growth of certain crops during rainy season. Okay, so kharif crop is nothing but rainy season plants. So the plants we can have it only in the rainy season. So that plants we can call it as kharif crops. Okay, and what is the duration? What is the which month we can have this rain, right? So that is June to September. So kharif crops we can grow these crops during June to September. Okay, so this is June to September we can have these plants. And what are the examples for this kharif crops? So for here, paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut and cotton. So these plants are the examples for kharif. So 3 points is very important. So what are all the 3 points? So kharif crops, it is we can have these crops only in rainy season. Okay, so the crops which are sown only in rainy season are called kharif crops. So what is the rainy season in India? So that is June to September we can have a rain, right? So we can have rain during this time. So June to September is we can have these crops. And what are the examples? So what are all the crops we can plant it during this June to September? That is paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton, right? So now you can have some confusion. I'll give some clue how to remember those examples. Okay, so now we'll move to the next one, that is rabi crops. So these crops grown in winter season. Okay, and what is the season here? October to March. So winter season, that is from October to March. So these crops we can call it as kharif crops, rabi crops. Sorry. Okay. So what is rabi crops? The plants we can grow in the winter season, that is October to March. That plants will come under this rabi crops. So what are the example for this rabi crops? So we can have wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Okay, so these are the examples for rabi crops. So what are rabi crops? The crops grown in winter season. Okay, that is from October to March. And what are the examples for these rabi crops? Wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Okay, so now while reading we will not have any confusion, but while writing definitely we will get confused. what is Kharif, whether it is winter season or it is in rainy season. Okay, you just see Rabi, it started with R. Okay, so definitely it is rainy season will not come because R will not come. So that is one clue to remember without confusion. So Rabi, it is not during rainy season. So rain also started with R. So R will not come. So then what is the next one? Winter. Okay, here Kharif. So here no R. So definitely that is rainy season. Okay, next, while we are writing the examples, okay, for Kharif crops and Rabi crops, definitely we will get confusion whether paddy will come under Kharif or winter season or Rabi crops. Okay, so how we can have these examples? So you just take the first letter. So I have taken first letter K, G, S, P, C, M. K for Kharif. Okay, and G for groundnut. S for soya bean. P for paddy. C for cotton. Okay, so now M for maize. So I have taken first letter of each examples. Okay, and how we can easily understand K for K, that is kindergarten, right? KG. So KG students permitted to come in color dress during May month. Okay, so how we can say KG students permitted to come in color dress during May month. So K for Kharif, G for groundnut, right? S for soya bean, P for paddy, C for cotton, and M for maize. So KG students permitted to come in color dress during May month. Okay, so if you have a clue like this, then you will never confuse. Okay, right. Next one is Rabi crops. So how we can easily remember the examples for Rabi crops. So again, I'm having one clue, right? So here Rabi, I have taken RA from this, okay, and wheat I have taken WHE alone, and gram I have taken GRA alone, okay, and P fully I have taken, right, and here linseed fully I taken, and then mustard. So here we have to say MUST alone. Okay, so how we have to remember these things? So you just frame a sentence like this, right? So Ravi, RA from Rabi and WHE from wheat. So pronunciation I'm saying. So Ravi, grandpa, GRAN. So instead of gram, here we are having gram, grandpa, PEA, grandpa. Linseed is must. So linseed must, MUST. So RA, Rabi, Ravi, we said no, so Rabi, so RA for Rabi crops and V for wheat. Grandpa means here gram and P, and what he said, linseed, LIN, linseed is mustard. Okay, so like that I have a frame so that you will not get any confused while writing the examples in the exam. You will never forget in your life also. Is it clear? So hope the difference between this Kharif crops and Rabi crops is very easy for you. Hope you understand this concept, right? So this is exam point of view. This too is very important. Definitely you will have a question, differentiate between Rabi crops and Kharif crops, and what are the examples, and what is the season for Kharif and Rabi. So like that, definitely in this part you will have a question. Clear? Yes. So next we are moving to the next topic, that is cultivation of crops. So cultivation of crops is not an easy job. Okay, so they have to follow certain procedures so that they will have a benefit. Okay, so proper growth they will get it. So here certain agricultural practices we have to follow. The farmers, they have to do certain agricultural practices. So what are all the agricultural practices? The first one is preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. So these 7 methods, if the farmers they follow in a proper way, definitely they